Hey everybody, let me talk in this video about how we could do install for Android Studio 2.4. So to install Android Studio, we need to install two things. First of all, we need to install Java JDK because Android Studio working on Java JDK. Then we will install Android Studio. So to do install this in Mac, it's really easy. Just go to the Google and look for Java JDK. It's really easy and simple. Then it will show up result, then go to the Java SE, whatever. When this page show up, just go and look for the Java JDK for your device. So first click accept here and select your device. In my case, I'm using macOS, so I will click this one. If you are using Linux, select it for Linux version. If you are using Windows, select for your Windows version. So while I'm in macOS, I just click this one and download it. Here we go. After a while, it will be downloaded and you'll see it here. So I could go to download and install it, or I could install it from that place. So here is it. Here's Java JDK. Just double click on it and really easy installation. And always, not only in Mac. Here is it. Double click. You see this screen. Continue. Install. Enter your admin password. Then install software. It will take some time until he will install everything for Java JDK for you. Here we go, we done. So now everything done, install it, and let me make sure Java JDK installed by opening the terminal and write Java /v, not /v/version. Here you go. Now the Java I have it is 1.8, so that's exactly what we need with Android. So here you go. We're done. Now what we need to download Android Studio. So first look here in Google for Android Studio. Okay, you will see this download Android Studio and SDK tool. If you go here and just click download, after a while the download is completed. So if I just click here, I will see this is my Android Studio. So it's better to go here to download and take this Android Studio preview or Android Studio and move it to applications. Then from application, double click on it and you could install it now. So now if I have this screen, I click open. Let me just close this page. He's looking for SDK now, but because I don't have SDK in my machine, I have to click next. Then I ask him to install the SDK in this path. Then click next. Then finish. It will take some time until he will complete everything for us. Here we go. After 10 to 15 minutes, you will see the screen and everything is done. Installation process. Click finish. And here is Android Studio. Congratulations! We installed Android Studio 2.4.